So, one gangster mode, one key and one key and one and the only chat to go down, and the other to go down, one like this. Ha! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is OGOM'S Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT Nigeria. I am here to deliver joy. So, first of all, I'm here to do an unboxing and a try-on haul on this particular vlog. Okay, so I want to give kudos to the person that made this item to get to me. Okay, look at it. Okay, thank you so much, Divine Okonko. Okay, you are really a friend indeed. Shebi, a friend indeed. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, she was the one that went around with the way bill for me and the rest of them. I really appreciate. God bless you. Okay, when you call, we will definitely answer for you. Getting right into the unboxing and the try-on haul, and I have my scissors here. Okay, if this is a video that you love, keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Ejo, I beg, click on the subscribe button, that red subscribe you can see, click on the notification bell, and if you haven't joined my membership, please join my membership. Click right now. Thumbs up, not the one that is thumbs down. Thumbs up. Okay, now let's get right into it. My one and only my one and only subscriber sent the other outfits for me. So this is from my subscriber. So hold up, guys. These are the outfits from my subscriber. You guys know how we do it. Drop Ubanu prayer in the comment section. Pour prayer in the comment section. Okay, so this is from Obodoyibo. This is from Obodoyibo. Thank you so much. Like, you guys know how I get with gifts. You guys know how I get. Hey, am I supposed to be tearing this bag? Oh, Nena, normally chap, I'm supposed to be using it as a reminder. Hey, now wow. They will send Obodoyibo stuff for you. You should use as remembrance. You are just tearing it. Just look at. I must keep it. I will use sellotape and sellotape it and keep it. Ha! Sorry, no. It's look like how I would have done something. How deli heavy. Anyway, so these are all the items that she shopped for me. As in ihe ọma na-emere m ọ dị ka ndere chimakwụkwọ ihe mbụ n'obi na-emere m ọ dị ka ndere chimedemede. This song means when things are happening for you, when God is answering your prayer, it will be as if you wrote a paragraph for Jesus and the blessings is just coming one after the other. Like he will bless you, he will take it, like he's just blessing you one after the other, turn by turn. That is what it means. When things are working out for good for you, it will be as if you wrote a note for God, that God is just answering your prayers 1-1-1-1. So these are all the items that I got. Okay, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, baby girl. Thank you. Omo, the day you enter Nigeria, holler on me. Obarulu, you must holler on me. Just call me. I'm coming there with Ndi Ogene, like Ogene people. I'm coming there with them. When we are dancing for you, we will drop red carpet for you. One as I prepare for you, you know go expect them. Okay, just forget, Yano. So we'll be opening these outfits one after the other, and we'll be trying it out afterwards. So stay tuned. All right. The first and foremost thing on our list is these outfits. Okay, where do they open it from? This one is from Boohoo. Look at it. It's from boohoo.com. Hey. Where? I said this one is gown. No, it's top. Oh, this one is a jumper, a romper. Hey, a romper, a jumper. Anyway, this one is a romper. Shabi, you see this, my subscriber? This, hey, this one will fit me, no doubts. It go fit me, no doubts. Okay, so this is a top. Hey, oh, look at now. Look at this one will fit me. Shabi, you guys say that yellow fits me so well. Like, she takes details of every damn thing that fits me, and she makes sure she shops it for me. My subscribers, you people have a very special place in my heart. My Obodo subscribers, I will continue to pray for you people. You people still pay tax, everything, and you still put smile on our face. You join our member, everything that you guys are doing. God will bless you people. God will bless and replenish you people's pockets. And for you that is always sending me these gifts, hey, my prayers for you is that, hey, that job that you are doing, plenty promotions for you. Any business that you are doing, plenty customers for you. Plenty customers for you. God will continue to answer your prayer one after the others you have prayed. Amen. Hey, God bless. God bless. Look at this beautiful yellow top. Hey, don't worry. You guys are gonna be sick of me. As I never go Obodo, you guys will be hearing my scores in Nigeria here. We're outside. Hey, welly wello. This one is bodycon, and it's also from Boohoo. See it, it's from Boohoo. This one is bodycon gown. Like, I will wear waist train and dapper this one. One name you dapper no more. Hey, you people should be ready. You people should be ready. Wait. Everything is from Boohoo. Everything is from Boohoo. See it? From Boohoo. Hell. I never get this kind of gown before. See the details in front. See the detail in front like this. Hey. One neck, couple, one neck. Can't see pado now. I'm broke. Can't see pado before. Now look at. Hey. Uchim. See oh. Hey, way. And it's also from Boohoo. With this one enter me. Kakwa peteri o. Shebi is peteri. This one will not enter. Even my breast alone will carry this one. Is this shimmy? Abi is this top? Crop top, I get belle o. Our belle never reach. But that means I have to get a high waist trouser to wear this one. We'll figure it out. Kopono. Don't worry. And then this one is a black shirt, okay? Shebi, is a black shirt. Look at it. This one is a black shirt. That means you have to wear it with a white pants, not white trouser. Before people will think it's pants. Is this gown? Is this a shirt dress? Anyway, let's start rocking all these outfits for you guys. So let's get right into it. Oh, the white top. So I think this is a top, and it's from I Saw It First. I Saw It First. Look at it here. So this is a top. It's a maxi top. You can rock with a trouser. So let's get right into the try on haul. So here is our romper. This is how it's looking. Okay, this romper also has a pocket here in front where you can put your phone, and I'm rocking it with this this shoe and this bag, which actually match. Shebi matches its beacon. Let me know. So here is how I'm looking in it. Okay, shout out to the bad snare. Snare. Shout out to the bad snare. So here is how I'm looking. So let's move over to the next one. So this is a bodycon dress. I'm trying to sock belly so that my belly will go inside. So this is how it's looking. This bag also fits it. Okay, So for which you can choose to carry like this, just for a fizzy. Okay, you're going where you're going. Okay, see. Hey, tata to the baddest. So here is another one. Rate us. I think this shoe and bag matches everything. Rate us, rate us. Okay. Hey, like, you see. So I'm pairing this with a black malls. Hey, is it malls? And you can see the details in the front. So I just laid down my hair, so you can choose to do anything you want. Okay. Hey. If it's Mommy G or snappy, you can stay like this. Anyhow. And oh yeah, look at me now. So belemania. So like this, you're good to go. Hey, we gonna pile like that. It's your birthday. We gonna pile like that. It's your birthday. I'm in the club, basking the boy. Ha! One day, ego jimwani, ego jimwamuke. Eh? See that one I was calling Peterio. I was calling Shimi. Look at how he's looking. One day, can you help me? Na adoyego maru men, ke ba I na-etinye ọkpa. Adoyego maru men, ke ba I na-etinye ọkpa, ke ba I na-adonye arụ. Badosne, shout out to the bado. Badosne. Let me see. Oh lo lo lo, let me see. Lo 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 lo, bugao. Let me bugao. Let me see. Bugao. So here is it. This is how it's looking. Okay, so people are here to disturb me. I shall not yield. So here is it. Oh, you take me where I've never been. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. So this top is showing a little bit of belly here because of this drap. Oh, because of this injiko here, you can see it, and here is how it's looking. I don't know if you can see it, but it has this opening here. So if you're not comfortable wearing it, you can wear a singlet inside, a black singlet, then tuck it in with your jeans so that your belly won't be showing. But me, we go show belly small now. So here is it. You can still drag it down for it not to show, or just drag your trouser down, but just know that it's showing. So here is it. I paired it with this shoe. I'm tired. Okay, so I have this bag and I have the pairing this thing, for which you can carry like this, or you can carry like this, or you can just put everything in. Put everything in and just hold it as a purse. One never forgets, once I see fashion like this, I will try play with it, but I'm no master. I'm so here is it. Hey, so for which you can still tuck in. Fold like this, but the shirt has this itchy feeling on my body. So here is the black shirt, but it's itchy, it's itching, it's stinging me. Sting, it's stinging me. Here is it. Okay, so you can choose to tuck it in, or you tuck in one part and leave one part out. So here is it. You can pair it with any shoe of choice. So this is how it's looking. Okay, yeah. So one nka gangster mode, one kiye nemezi, one kiye nemezi, one and the only chat to go down, and the other to go down, one like this. Ha! So here is our last stop, our last bone, cabo, our last bone, and I'm pairing it with this flip flop, and this side bag. You can wear it with a random jeans. So abo nature on can wear like this. Abo nature on can wear like this. If you don't want to wear tier jean, wear your random jean. You go fit am. Wear your slippers. You go fit am. Anything go fit am. This one you can still tie it. Tie it like this. Wear your heel. Carry your bag. Ijebe go. Like this now. I don't move. This is a random casual Friday outfits. So this is our full final stop. One. So you can just to carry your bag like this. Just stretch here the hand, shorten the hand, like this. You are good to go. One neck. Aye, go. So choose one way. To do clothing haul is not easy. To do try on haul is not easy. I'm tired, but I'm grateful that I delivered this video. So that is the end of our try on haul. Please let me know in the comment section the outfit that you like most. I would love to hear. I would love to know. And you guys know how we do it in the comment section. Please, Azure, drop so many prayers for this my amazing subscriber. Like, God bless all our subscribers out there that try as much as possible to put a smile on our face. You guys, in spite of everything that you guys do, you still have family that you take care of, but you deem it fit to always gift us. God bless and replenish you guys' pockets abundantly. God bless you guys. The kind of blessing that you guys will be receiving with this after hearing this my prayer. God bless you guys so much. And for those that take out their time to specially gift me Mommy G.O. You guys' heart desires shall be granted. It has been answered. In fact, yes, it has been answered. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, my baby girl. Thank you so much. Thank you, my darling. I really appreciate. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you haven't liked, if you haven't dropped a comment on my channel, if you haven't joined my membership, if you haven't clicked on the notification bell, what have I done to you? Please, please and please do that right now. Subscribe, join my membership, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.